Finger frog.
Is it correct that we are taller in the morning than evening? Find out the answer during the course of this video. Why does chopping an onion make you cry? Answer: onions produce a chemical irritant known as synpropanethyl S-oxide, which stimulates the eye's lacrimal glands, and hence they release tears. Onions contain an enzyme called synthase. When one cuts into an onion, the synthase reacts with the sulfur to create a chemical compound called synpropanethyl S-oxide. This compound is volatile, and creates a gas that floats up to your eyes. These gases then get to the eyes, and create a mild acid, which irritates the lacrimal gland, also known as the tear gland, that produces tears. Because the amount of acid produced is very small, its effect is only irritating, and not harmful. Which planet is also known as the morning star, or the evening star? Answer: Venus. Venus is radiantly illuminated, due to its closeness to Sun. It is completely covered by a layer of clouds, that reflects a large portion of the light the planet receives. Hence it looks like a star with the naked eye, though it is indeed a planet. Venus shines so brightly, that it is the first star-like object to appear in the sky after the sun sets, or the last to disappear before the sun rises. The ancient Greeks and Egyptians initially thought that Venus was actually two separate objects, a morning star, and an evening star. A few hundred years later, the Hellenistic Greeks realized that Venus was actually a single object. However, the name, morning star, and evening star continued to be attached to Venus. Which city in the world has the largest population, in 2020? Answer: Tokyo, with a population of 37,435,191. The world's largest cities today fall under a class that researchers call megacities, with a population of over 10 million people. Tokyo, the largest city in the world, has a population of 37,435,191, nearly 4 times that number. It is followed in the second position by Delhi with a population of 29,399,141, and Shanghai with a population of 26,317,104. However, studies have suggested that Tokyo's population has plateaued, and is projected to begin declining after 2020, while Delhi continues to ascend, and is predicted to take over as the city with the largest population in 2028. What is the body of a penguin covered with? Answer: feathers. Penguins are covered with short, waterproof feathers. These feathers overlap each other, and are densely packed. There are about 70 feathers per square inch on a penguin's body. Unlike those of flying birds, the feathers on a penguin wing are very short. A penguin's feather consists of two parts, a downy and a stiff part. The downy part lays closest to the penguin body, and traps an air layer. This air layer serves as an insulating buffer between the penguin body and the cold air. On a warm day, penguins ruffle their feathers to break the insulating air layer, hence cooling down. While swimming in the sea, the muscles control the movement of the feathers, holding them tight to the body, thinning the air layer. Now back to the question number 1. Is it correct that we are taller in the morning than evening? Answer: yes, we are taller in the morning than evening by about 1 centimeter. It is called diurnal variation, that is variation in various body systems that occurs in a 24 hours natural body cycle. This is due to gravity compressing the cartilage in our spine and in other parts of our bodies, such as our knees when we stand up or sit down throughout the day. Our spinal cord consists of 33 vertebrae, overlapping each other, which are separated by discs of cartilage. These cartilages allow the spine to move, rotate, and extend. When the body is at total rest, while sleeping, one is in a horizontal position, and the fluid in the body enters the spinal discs. Consequently, these discs spread out, or decompress, and thereby increase our height by 1 centimeter in the morning. On the other hand, when we wake up, the body again starts working, followed by continuous movements. Due to our own body weight, the vertebrae and discs of cartilage are compressed into each other. While we are standing, the gravity flattens the cartilage materials between vertebrae and push out the water between our spinal discs, and therefore our height reduces by about 1 centimeter by evening. The scale of the height difference varies from person to person, and is also dependent on the lifestyle of the concerned person. In fact, astronauts coming back from outer space are a few inches taller than their normal height on Earth, because of the lack of gravitational forces on their spines away from the Earth's atmosphere. However, once back on Earth again, gravity gradually brings them back to their normal height,